they will pay you to chat with students, and that is something that you don't want to be missing out on because it doesn't sound like it's a difficult job. They want you to chat with students and have interactions with them in form of conversations because hey guys, what is going on? This is Wycliffe from TechHood 254 and I'm really excited to be sharing this video with you. If you're watching us for the first time, this is the channel where we help you learn how to make an income online the legit way, so you don't have to worry about any scams on our channel. So if that kind of content resonates with you, go ahead and consider subscribing, and don't forget to click on the bell just so that you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. Now in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a website that we found where you can be able to make as much as $10.20 per hour and up to $12 per hour, depending on which method you choose to work for them with. And so just to give you a little background on why we're creating this video, a couple of months ago we created a video on our channel, and we were sharing with you 3 ways on how you can make money online. And one of the things that we mentioned, or one of the websites that we mentioned on that video, was Palfish. And so it turns out that some of the information we had on that video might have been misrepresented, and so we're sorry about that. It turns out that Palfish actually does require you to have some teaching certificates if you intend on working with them. However, you can get those teaching certificates online. You do have to pay for them, but you can get those teaching certificates online. Something else that you need to know about Palfish is that you need to be a native English speaker. So if you brought that to our attention, it's good, because you need to be actually doing more research. We try to do as much research as possible on our channel, but also you guys need to know that we don't necessarily work with every single website that we share here, and a lot of the content we share on our channel is to give you guys insight into what you can do or what the options are. So without further ado, let us get into this Palfish Alternative that you can use to make money online from anywhere you are, all around the world. It doesn't matter whether you have a teaching certificate this time around, or whether you're in Kenya, because most of our audience is Kenyan, or from wherever you are. So this website is known as Cambly, and I have talked about Cambly in the pinned comment from the previous video. So Cambly is a Palfish alternative that you can use from just about anywhere in the world. They have tons of tutors on their platform, and all they desire from you is that you actually be able to speak fluent English, which I know a lot of our audience can do, because that's the language we use communicating with you. So if you are looking for a side hustle, or if you are looking for a job and you don't have anything to do, and you know that English is one of the things that you can do properly, this website is actually going to pay you to chat with students. And this time I'm not even joking about that, because it says that on their website, and I'm going to share screenshots with you. It says that they will pay you to chat with students, and that is something that you don't want to be missing out on because it doesn't sound like it's a difficult job. They want you to chat with students and have interactions with them in form of conversations, because a lot of these students who are learning English as their second language prefer to learn English from a conversation perspective. And so whenever they can talk to somebody who has good English, they'll be able to know, or they'll be able to understand the language better, because the best way to learn a language isn't just in a classroom, but also speaking the language. And so that's the whole concept of what Cambly is all about. Now, like I've mentioned, if you're teaching kids, you will be making up to $12 per hour, I guess, maybe because it's a little bit more difficult to handle kids. But the primary rate for Cambly is $10.20 per hour, as you can see here on this screenshot. And so that is actually pretty good money. If most people work 8 hours a day, that's around $80 or so. And if it's $12, that's more than $100, I believe, or 96, close to $100. It's about $96. So if you are looking to, work for this company, then you need to go over to their website and check out the sign up process, which is really simple and easy and direct. We've already created an account for this platform, and so we know that it's possible. And you need to know that you will require to have an internet access. Your internet really needs to be good because you're going to be communicating with these students probably via your phone or your computer, and you need to make sure that you have a good internet connection. That's something that they will be testing to make sure that you can get accepted on the platform. After which you will also be required to have, a video that you upload that's about 2 minutes long, sharing some information. Probably they want to hear how you can speak your English or whatever. But definitely go ahead and check out Cambly. It's an alternative to Palfish, and let us know how that works out for you. And also, just a quick encouragement. After watching these videos, make sure that you do a little more research of your own so that you figure out whether this is perfect for you. The platforms that we share on this YouTube channel might not necessarily be perfect for everybody, okay? But they will work out for someone. And that is exactly what we want to do on this platform, is share information. And if we can find at least one person that we've helped, then that makes us happy. So that's all for this video. I will see you guys